Bonjour! Good evening, everyone. My heart is filled with gratitude that we are celebrating an important milestone, the 10th year of the Wish Music Award. Nagpapasalamat po tayo unang-una sa Panginoon for giving us this opportunity to commemorate this milestone with all of you. Sa ating po nominees, sa ating KDR icons ngayong taon, sina Mr. Augie Alcacid at Mr. Apple the App of the Apple the App Foundation International, to our friends from the music industry, including the representatives of different record labels and media entities. Salamat din po sa ating presenters, co-presenters, major and minor sponsors, and to our partners. Salamat po sa mga nakarating ngayon sa Araneta, sa members ng Church of God International, at people always supporting this event. Sa OPM fans, hindi po kami magsasawa na magpasalamat din po sa inyong lahat. You're one of the biggest reasons why we do what we do here at Wish. Talaga naman po napakabilis ng panahon. It's been 10 years since we've held the first Wish Music Awards in this very same venue. So many things have changed, and we've seen many talented artists emerge. We've heard many wonderful songs throughout the years. Nariyan na po at dumaan ang isang pandemya na masasabi natin it did change life as we know it. It was an experience that taught us many things. Kasama na po dyan kung gaano kahalaga ang musika sa ating buhay. Music has always been there to keep us company through life's ups and downs. There are songs that capture every emotion, every moment, and every memory. There are songs that remind us to keep going on and to keep on wishing. And we have you, our dedicated artists, to thank for. Thank you for creating music, and thank you for telling the stories of our lives. Kaya naman po sa gabing ito, let us celebrate you. Tonight, we're paying tribute and honoring your artistry, your dedication, and your passion, all of which continue to inspire us all. We at Wish consider ourselves blessed because we were given the opportunity to help share your music with the world, be it through the radio, through the Wish Bus, or through our digital platforms. We've witnessed how your music transcends borders and touches hearts. So thank you for letting us be a part of your journey in the past 10 years. And hopefully, sa mga susunod pa po mga taon. On that note, let me just share with you that last year, we were able to launch the Wish Bus in South Korea with the help of our Philippine embassy there that expanded our musical fleet. And now we have a total of 4 Wish buses. 2 here in the Philippines, 1 in the United States, and 1 in Korea. This year and in the coming years, God willing, we hope to continue what we have been doing since the beginning. And that is to showcase you and your songs better and bring you even closer to the people. At kaakibat po niyan ay ang ating commitment to charity. Since day 1 po ng Wish at mula po noong year 1 ng Wish Music Awards, charity has always been central to our efforts. At sa pagkakataong ito, we're also recognizing all the representatives of this year's pool of charitable organizations for being with us here tonight. Gaya po ng nakita ninyo kanina, every Wish Music Awards, yun po ating nominees ay pumipili ng beneficiaries from our roster of select charitable organizations. At kapag po sila ay nanalo ng major award, their beneficiary will win 100,000 pesos. Bukod po yan sa cash prize nila mismo na 25,000 pesos. Meanwhile, our KDR icon of music philanthropy naman po ay nakakatanggap ng 70,000 pesos. This is our way of supporting their charitable cause. We believe that no act of kindness is too small. It's why, for the past decade, we've been persevering to become not just a music platform. For the past 10 years, we have upheld our commitment to becoming a platform where both music and charity are celebrated. We wish to be instrumental in changing lives through songs and various acts of charity. At hiling din po namin, patuloy pa kami na magamit ng kasangkapan para magawa pa ang mas maraming mga bagay upang patuloy na makapaghatid ng musika na nagbibigay inspirasyon at pag-asa sa bawat isa. And we hope that you will all continue to be a part of this one-of-a-kind journey. This is our first decade. We look forward to celebrating music and charity with you for the years to come. For now, I hope you will enjoy the rest of the night. Congratulations po sa inyo lahat at muli maraming salamat at mananatili pa rin po na sa Diyos ang lahat ng karangalan at kapurihan. To God be the glory.